Hello people, welcome back. What shall I make this akara that I paired with custard? I have paprika, pepper, onion, my already washed beans, black eyed pea. So I added it now and I added the water. I will blend it roughly and after that I will part it into two parts so I can blend it properly. So as you can see, I've divided it into parts and I'm blending one part. So I will just blend until it is creamy and smooth. So it is done. I will add to my bowl and I will blend the other part. And once that one is also done, I will add it to my bowl as well. So I'll just scoop it out with my spoon. I will add in my diced onion, white pepper, salt. I added this, just a small cut of abenero pepper too before I blended it. So you just mix properly until it is very creamy. The reason why we are doing that is that so that your batter doesn't split out while you are frying. When you add enough hair to your batter that you want to use to make moi moi or akara, the texture will be so nice and it will not break inside the oil. So after some time, I will just flip it over. So as you can see, I came to check if it is ready. So it is ready. I will take them out of the oil. I will put in a sieve so that the extra oil can go out. On my returnees, thank you for always returning. Thank you for the like, the comment, the share. May the good Lord bless you. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on your post notification so that anytime we upload you will be notified. So I'm doing the remaining of the batter. Also check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful, white videos, cooking videos, family lifestyles. I have all the videos in here. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. The same name, Lady B Varieties. Thank you for your love and support. I really do appreciate. So this one is also cooked, just like I cooked the first batch. So here it is. Let's see how the akara look like. This is it cooked. Enjoy. Bye.